You can also edit a pivot table. As shown in the previous video clip, we can rearrange the information. For example, if I want the model to be displayed as the row headings, I can drag it to rows and I can drag the make back to the columns. I can also display filters by clicking on the drop down arrow, and I can go and deselect everything and decide I only want to see global and OK, and only information displayed there. And that is the purpose of a pivot table, where it takes a lot of information, it summarizes it, and it allows you to filter it. Going back, I can display all again and click on OK. If I, for example, want to change the calculation or the type of calculation that will be seen in the grand total column, you will see for now we see the sum of price. I can go to the values and I can click on the drop down arrow and click on value field settings, and then I can change it to average, for example, and I click on OK. Now these values will now be the average of price and not the total price anymore. Let's go and change it back to the total price. So I click on the drop down arrow again, value field settings, and we select sum again and OK. If you want to add information to this table, you need to go to original table and you need to add the information there. So let's go and add another one there for Mr. Marku. He also sold a Kia Rio. To see that information in your pivot table, you have to go back here, and now you have to go and refresh it. So look at how the totals change when I refresh the information. Right click, refresh, and you will see the information for Rio has increased.